Past due, unraveling the mystery. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a common phrase in the English language, past due. If you've ever come across bills, invoices, or even library books, you might have encountered this term. Let's discover what it means and how to use it correctly. Past due essentially means that something should have been done, paid, or returned by now, but it hasn't. It's a way to inform someone that a deadline has been missed. For example, if you borrowed a book from a library and you were supposed to return it by the 1st of the month, but you still have it on the 3rd, then that book is past due. While past due can be used in various situations, there are some typical contexts where you'll often hear or see it. 1. Bills and invoices. It's common for bills or invoices to have a due date, which is the last date by which you should make a payment. If the payment isn't made by that date, then the bill is past due. 2. Library books. As mentioned earlier, when you borrow a book or another item from a library, there's a return date. If not returned by that date, the item is considered past due. 3. Tasks and assignments. In a workplace or school setting, if you're given a task or assignment with a specific deadline and you miss it, that task is past due. Let's look at some example sentences to understand how past due can be used. 1. The electricity bill is past due, so we need to pay it immediately to avoid any penalties. 2. I realize that my library book is past due. I'll return it tomorrow. 3. The report was past due, but my manager gave me an extension. Understanding phrases like past due can make a big difference in how we navigate various situations, especially those related to deadlines. Remember, whenever something has exceeded its expected time or deadline, it's past due. We hope this video sheds light on this commonly used phrase, and you feel more confident in using it. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.